Welcome to Sew Bliss. Today I'm going to show you how to install snaps. I have a couple different kinds of snaps. I have some from Cam Snaps that are plastic. I have another set from Snap Source that are metal. And I have a third set that is Dritz that I got from Joann's. And it comes in just this little box right here. And it is a little snap fastener kit. So I just wanted to show you a few different snaps that I've used and how to install them and which ones I prefer. So let's get started. Now the first set of snaps that I want to show you how to install are these plastic cam snaps. I like these for children's clothing. You just want to make sure that the layers are pretty thick. You have some interfacing in between your fabric so that way it holds tight, because I've had it shift a little bit on me after it's been put in and then I'm trying to unsnap it or put it back together, something like that. So whenever you are using snaps, you want to make sure that you have a strong fabric with the interfacing in the middle, and that'll help really strengthen that area. Now the set that I just got off of Amazon. I'll put a link down below for it. But it came with this tool that you're going to need to press the pieces, and then it also came with all these colors. I really liked that it came with a good variety. You can see that I've used most of my white and green, so I need to restock those, but I really liked that I have a good variety of those. And then it also came with this tool and another piece for this plier set, so that's really nice. So when I put my snaps on, I usually just eyeball it for the placement. So this is just some scrap fabric that I'm going to be showing you a little later. I will show you how I place them on my romper, but right now I'm just going to be using some scrap fabric. So I have 2 layers right here, and the first thing, you want to decide where you want to put it. So if you want to use a marking pencil, a regular pencil, and we'll just put a dot. And I do think, like, if you're folding it over like this, I would say to match those up before you do anything, and find that dot right there and then match it on this side just like that. Say I did it on this side, I would put a dot and then I would come hold that down and fold it over and then put a dot on that side, so that way I know they're matching up. And then if you want, you can go with a marking tool again and kind of create that X. So X marks the spot right in the middle. That way I know for sure. So then I can take, this tool comes with the cam set, and it just has a really sharp point. It's not focusing right there, but it's a really sharp point. Now if you don't have this, or if you're using other snaps and haven't gotten this, you can also use your seam ripper. That also has a sharp point, and this just helps so that these sockets go through nice and easily. So first thing, I would poke that hole right where I want it, right where it's gonna go. And again, I'm gonna match this up again. Fold it like that. Make sure I have it matching the way I want it, and poke a hole through those layers as well. And if I want to, I could poke it through all 4 layers and make sure it's gonna line up the way I want it. So this, we'll say this is gonna be my top. So I'm going to make sure this socket is on the top, because that's the part you wanna see. And then I'm going to be putting one of the studs. Now this is a stud, and there's a female stud and a male stud. So female stud has the hole, male has this ridge right here that would snap in. For this top piece, we put the socket through, and then I have the stud, and I'm putting it right on top of it. And this one, you want to have the hole facing up, just like that. And then I would take my pliers, and with the black part wants to be covering the socket. So I will cover that and hold it. Now I'm not squeezing yet. I just wanted to show you that you cannot see any of the snap from the outside. And this side's fine. That side you're gonna be able to see something,
but from the black side you don't want to be able to see any of it because you want to be able to put a lot of pressure on that and you don't want that blocking the pressure. So then I can push those together and open it up, and there it has come together. So there I have my snap placed. So then I'm ready to go over to this one. Now this one, if you look at it, it'll fold over like this. So this will be the other side of it, and you want that to be smooth, whether it's seen or sometimes it'll be on the inside, touching the body. So this will be perfect because it'll be smooth and won't irritate whoever's wearing that outfit. And then we have our other stud. This is the male stud. You can see that it has the top ridge right here. So I'm going to place that on top. And again, grab my pliers, slide this over, making sure that you cannot see the socket at all, and then squeezing together. And release, and there I have it. So I have my 2 snaps ready, and that's how easy they are to put in. So I really just love these plastic snaps. They add a really fun touch.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it answered all of your snap setting questions. If you are interested in this romper, I'll put a link to the video of it down below. It is the t-shirt romper that I made. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe. And also make sure to go check out my Instagram, MySewBliss, where I will be posting more sewing tips and sneak peeks of projects that I'm working on and maybe a few giveaways. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!